Do you want a simple job that disregards your geolocation and you can make more than $500 out of? First, make sure you grab a cup of coffee because no coffee, no worky. That's what Baby Yoda said. And I've got a big cup right here because you're awesome. Let's go right into this no BS tutorial. First, what is a search engine evaluation job? We have the definition by Glassdoor.com. It says, as a search engine evaluator, you analyze search results to ensure they are accurate and relevant. Search engine evaluators conduct research and provide feedback that measures the accuracy of web search results, how useful the results page are, and relevance of the search results. This is really interesting. So I'm making this video because you need to know how to become a search engine evaluator, how to get a job like that, the exact process. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so subscribe if you're new. Before we start, make sure you also hit the like button and comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, or YouTube account in the comments down below. I'll take it, put it in the awesome shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so we can see some search engine evaluator jobs, evaluator jobs at Glassdoor.com. You can actually see the link, the URL right here, Glassdoor.com. You see the explanation, the definition that we just said. Then you can either view search engine evaluator jobs, or if you're an employer, hire one. Basically, the job overview is example company is one of the leading companies in the field in the area. We're proud, blah 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 blah. And as you can see here, there's a lot of search engine evaluators needed from Appen in different countries, right? You have some in Peru, New Zealand, and the ratings on them are really good. And there's a hiring search. The job pays up to $19 per hour. In some cities it can pay up to 66k. And it says actively hiring, and there's other options. So you can, on this website, you can actually apply for a search engine evaluator and just shows how much you want to get paid. For example, let's say that you want to make 6 figures a year. All you gotta do is click something like this, apply. You can even choose the country that you live in. But to get over 100k a year, you get a bunch of options, right? There seems to be like over 80 options. Again, if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. This is a no BS tutorial. My team and me and 2 video editors, try to produce up to 3 videos a day, not a week. Everyone's doing 3 videos a week. We're doing 3 videos a day because we want to 7x their work ethic. So if you want to support the channel, like the video, this boosts us with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you're new. Remember, the video day gives the doctor additional financial or medical advice. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos. See you next one. Bye.